Hi guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Nancy, and today I want to talk about a unique way to create a Christmas vignette for your countertop in your kitchen. So these are actually cookie jars or just jars. You can get them at the Container Store. They're about $10. And what I have done here to show you a Christmas vignette is I have filled it up with a bag of snow. You can also use Epsom salt, which would probably be better because it'll keep the whatever objects you place inside the jar sturdy into the salt, but I didn't have that, so I improvised with some snow. So the way I'm propping my items up is I'm actually using cans for different heights, and I'm just placing them in here into the jar and then kind of covering it with the snow so you cannot see it from the front or side. And then I have different objects. You can get anything that you like depending on if you're creating a themed jar, anything that you like. These are actually from Michael's, and I'm doing like a little baker's theme, Santa with Santa. So, but then you have trees. These are from the Target Dollar Spot, ornaments, whatever it is that you want to make your little vignette. And so you are going to dig it all in there, get your heights the way you want it. Again, if you have the salt, it's a little bit easier. I'm gonna place Santa right there. You can add more snow if you need to. And I have taped little stars on the top of my jar with just tape and string to come down. And you see on this side I have trees and pine cones, and it's like a little vignette. You can add lights or anything like that in yours if it's easier for you. I knocked my Santa down, let me get him again. But you can see how once I display this on my counter, it looks super cute, and it's just something different to have. Okay, so I got Santa back up. Got my jar in, and now it just sits on my countertop like this. And it's just something different to have for Christmas. It's easy to create. You can probably do it with your kids. Super fun, and that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancy.